Hello everyone, I am Aivey Ylagan. I am from BSHM 2C-N. So today I'm going to mix the two cocktails, which is the Cuba Libre and then the screwdriver. First, we're going to make the Cuba Libre, which has a cola and then the white rum and also the lime juice. So let's start. So we're going to use the Collins gas for the Cuba Libre. First is we're going to put the ice. And then the white rum. 5 cl or 1 jigger of white rum. The next one is the lime juice. 1 cl of lime juice. Now pour the cola. Drop the lemon juice or the American lemon. The next one is for the screwdriver. It has a vodka, orange juice, and the garnish, of course, the orange juice. Orange, I mean, fresh orange. So let's start. Let's put the ice first. You have to use the hydro glass for the screwdriver. Then the next is the vodka. 5 cl of vodka. Ten cl of juice, orange juice. And then garnish with orange. The screwdriver.